Painting your health golden with turmeric might sound like an overstated phrase, but it's far from exaggeration when you consider the profound health benefits this vibrant spice offers. Turmeric, a root native to Southeast Asia, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for thousands of years, and modern research continues to support its wide-ranging health benefits. Here are some reasons why you might want to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Firstly, turmeric's golden hue comes from a chemical compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is thought to be at the heart of many diseases, and curcumin's ability to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body can help prevent and manage conditions such as arthritis, Alzheimer's, heart disease, and cancer. Secondly, curcumin's antioxidant power neutralizes harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. It also stimulates the body's own antioxidant defenses, enhancing their effectiveness. Another exciting benefit of turmeric is its potential role in brain health. Research indicates that curcumin may increase levels of a brain hormone known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is essential for brain health and can delay brain-related diseases and improve memory. Turmeric may also aid digestion by stimulating the gallbladder to produce bile, making the digestive system more efficient. Moreover, its antimicrobial properties can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. So how can you incorporate this golden wonder into your lifestyle? It's simpler than you might think. Here are a few suggestions. In your food, turmeric can be used as a spice in your cooking. It pairs well with many dishes, including stews, soups, and curries. You can also sprinkle it on vegetables before roasting, add it to rice or scrambled eggs, or even blend it into a smoothie. As a tea, you can make a warming turmeric tea by boiling a teaspoon of ground turmeric in 4 cups of water and letting it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain it into a cup, add honey or lemon to taste, and enjoy. Turmeric supplements. For a more concentrated dose of curcumin, you can opt for turmeric supplements. It's worth noting that curcumin is poorly absorbed into the bloodstream, so it's often recommended to take it with black pepper, which contains piperine, a natural substance that enhances curcumin absorption. Remember, as with all good things, moderation is key. While turmeric has a strong safety profile, excessive consumption can cause stomach upset and, in rare cases, ulcers. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. In conclusion, with its broad range of health benefits, turmeric truly is a golden gift from nature. Whether you're spicing up your meals or sipping on a soothing tea, there are countless ways to integrate this spice into your wellness routine and harness its potent healing powers.